Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So it's about 9:30 a.m. Eastern here in US, May 29th. I want to bring you a quick update on Bitcoin price action. Bitcoin is trading at 74 right now. And we having a pretty decent bounce this morning from a lot of the oversold condition that we have been seeing for the last couple of days. Okay, so before we get it started on the technical review for Bitcoin, if you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit those notification and those bell icon so you can get this content right away. And if you think these videos are helping you with your trading, with your investing in the crypto market, then please do give me a thumbs up. That really means a lot. All right, so that being said, let's get it started. So as I said before, Bitcoin is trading around 7,471 right now. Okay, so what happened yesterday is we had this oversold condition in the market. I made a video on Ripple XRP. I also covered some other coins on there, saying that we are coming to pretty oversold condition and we might see some bounce later into the night or into the morning for the crypto market, and that's what we are getting today. We are having a pretty decent bounce now. Most of the coins are up 5%, 10%, even 16%, like Cardano, which is like it sold off pretty heavily yesterday, but now it regained all that level. So it's having pretty decent bounce, but that being said, we are still not out of the woods. Okay, I want to caution people that we are still not out of the woods. We are still in the down channel. We have this resistance that is coming up around 7,500 in Bitcoin, around 7,500, 7,550. So keep that level in mind, because that will act as a resistance. And I'm going to change this lines to red, because now since we are below those support levels, or like those resistance level, I want to clearly differentiate between what is support line and what is the resistance line. So anything, the blue dotted line, that is the support line, the red dotted line, that is the resistance lines. All right, so right now we are coming near that resistance around 7,500, 7,550. That will act as a resistance, so keep that in mind. What I really want to see today is finishing this market, or finishing the day for Tuesday strong near this resistance point, and we can have another push into the market later tonight or early tomorrow. What I'm not seeing yet is the volume. I would like to see some nice volume in order to have this continuous momentum toward the upside. That would be a very good indication that this bounce is sustainable. Until we get a decent volume, I would be skeptical on any of the bounces we are getting. We might get this kind of bounces here and there, but until we get out of the resistance zone, be pretty skeptical. If you are getting into the position, if you got into the position yesterday, maybe put in your stop losses a little bit, or don't think that we are completely out of the woods yet. Okay, until we clear some major resistance points, like for 7,500 being the one near term, and then around 7,700 will be the second resistance that we need to get through. Okay, so until then, treat the market like as is. We are in the down channel. Until we get out of this down channel, I would still remain skeptical. Okay, so if I draw this trend line right now, we need to get out of this down channel which we have been sitting in. It is getting a little bit there are a lot of trends, there are a lot of the drawing, so it is getting a little bit congested. I get it, but we have been in this choppy market, and it's going to be like that. So the best way to do it is you just don't try to make a very bold calls. What I mean by that is, if you're getting into the position, try to go in with the small positions. So let's say if the market goes against you, you can easily buy back into that position and have a better price average. So those are the things that you can do. Right now, the levels were pretty oversold yesterday, and that was a good buying opportunity. So if then market will act like this until we get out of this downtrend. So until then, treat the market like as is. Don't try to do like go all in, or like put all your eggs in one basket. Like things like that you should be avoiding, especially in this kind of market. Okay, let's look at the 4-hour time frame real quick. Okay, so 4-hour, I want to see some volume. It's trying to pick up right here, but it hasn't, like it's not, still not significant. Would like to see some like more volume. That's the one thing that would indicate that we have the sustainable bounce that we're getting this morning. Until then, I won't be very comfortable that we have seen this low. Okay, let's see how the day finished today. If we can finish over the 7,500, 7,600 mark, that will be nice. That will be very bullish. And if we get more volume and later in the day, that's another indicator that I would like to see. Okay. That's pretty much it, guys. Like a lot of the altcoins were looking pretty solid. Ethereum is one of the coins that I sent a note out to my email subscribers that last night that Ethereum was pretty oversold, and we have it's a good buying opportunity. We have a nice decent balance in Ethereum right now, so we would like to see some follow through, but that will really dictate with the overall market. But 10% profit in Ethereum is not bad within 24 hours, so still pretty decent profit. As far as the altcoin goes, Cardano is looking quite strong. It's ready to get out of this resistance. So we'll see how it finished the day today. That will be the indication for me how the market is finishing the day today, because that will give us some indication on how the next follow through day will be. Okay. So that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, and we'll go from there. Talk to you soon.